All right, today is the day that we are doing an installation at a church. We did the electrical work first, called in our electrician, and we did the electrical work. And now we have our crew there that's helping to put up speakers and run additional wires and whatnot for this installation job. And so we are G&G Productions, and this is one of the things that we do with our company, besides doing, sound for conferences, conventions, any type of event. We do a lot of bands, weddings, all kinds of things. And so, but one of the things that we do is installs. And we love helping churches, especially small to medium-sized churches that, don't have, a big budget, but being able to utilize maybe some of the things that they have to be able to upgrade to the next level so that they're getting better sound in audio. They're able to have a better live stream and things like that. And so we will help with that process. With the church that we're installing today, we're actually doing a total upgrade. And we're doing totally, we're running new wires. We had to put in a different additional electrical switches and things like that to be able to handle the power that we're putting in the church for the sound system. We're putting in new mics. We're putting in new speakers in their sanctuary as well as in their fellowship hall. We're putting in a new board, a 32-channel board with different effects and things like that. We're adding to their upgrade, and then we will be doing the training. So we don't just put in a system and say, okay, here's the button, blah, 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 and leave a church on its own. No. We actually do the training. So what will happen is when we get the system fully installed, we will then attend their Bible study or their choir rehearsal to make sure that's going well with their choir mics. We will also attend a Sunday morning worship service, and to make sure the worship service is going well, the pastor is okay, because we're putting in new monitors. We're doing it all, soups to nuts. We're putting in a whole new system in this church that hasn't had a system in many years, and now they're ready to upgrade. And so if you're looking for a sound company that truly cares, a sound company that is faith-based, so we know church, because I'm a pastor myself, and so we know what a church will be looking for as far as really improving their sound and production team, because we not only come in during the choir rehearsal, Bible study, or on the Sunday morning service, but we also come and we train whoever's going to be running that system. It could be a deacon, it could be a trustee, it could be one of the youth that are running that system. And so we will share with them and teach them what to do. We will label everything and making sure that they are comfortable with their system, they are pleased with their system, and they know how to run it. And they know how to run it, and they have people within their congregation that know how to run it. And so that's what we do. That's what we do, because we know the importance of having good sound on a Sunday morning during our worship services so that people can clearly hear the gospel and transformation can come to people's lives. And so if you're looking for a sound company that will do that for you, reach out to us at G&G Productions. We are, our website is www.gngproductions.info. And we would love to serve you. So get in touch.